So it's a big welcome back, a great week. We've been in school a whole week and I suspect you're all tired. We are. It's been challenging. You have risen to that challenge so well. You've managed the routines and the rules really well, wearing your masks and moving around the corridors. So the government have said we can relax some of those instructions. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to relax the masks in class. So you don't need to wear your mask in class if you don't want to. If you want to, that's great, carry on. You will need to wear masks in corridors because at that point we've got lots of people in the corridors. So it is just extra protection. We also next week will also be using the lining up through the temperature check and hand sanitizer. So you won't be allowed in school before 8 o'clock, okay? So the same entry to school will happen. We will change lunch back to the normal lunch, I'm pretty sure, but we will let you know. But it will still require you to line up and hand sanitize before lunch. Moving around will be the same. So on the right, in single file and staying apart because there's lots of us. When you're in class at before school in your form time, you won't need to be supervised because you can socialise, but still maintain a bit of distance. Be thoughtful and not silly about this. After this assembly, you've got lots of things that you need to be doing. Things like the house challenge with Bluey's challenge. So those things can be completed. Mr. Lincoln has sent out VE Day information, so that would be a really good thing to go through too. I just want to make sure that you are well at the end of a very, very busy week, and we've all been working hard. So I want you to have a fabulous weekend. I want you to stay safe at the weekend and make sure that you're fit and well for school on Monday, because we don't want you to miss any schooling. Have a smashing day, and I want you to be really lovely with your form tutors today because they've worked so hard for you this week. So look after them, look after each other, and I'll see you on Monday. Okay, bye. Bye.